Hi everyone, today I'll be mounting this to different things. It should be fun. Let's go! I tested the battery life and got an average of 55 minutes, which is close to what it said. As I'm here, you can remove the timestamp by changing the yes to a no in the text file. My Mambo drone had no problem flying with the camera. We secured it by a Lego brick we modified. Here, I clipped it to my shirt. And it was even secure enough to clip to my shoe. And of course I had to attach it to my RC car. White tack was enough to secure it. I tested the night vision. You need to be very close to get enough light to record. It was about 30 centimeters from Holly. I was seeing if it was recording. I can't tell without any indicators. Wow, that was fun. It's so small and light, you really can mount it to anything. There was one other thing we wanted to mount it on. I couldn't get it to work yet. Maybe for another video. Stay tuned, subscribe. Goodbye!